to this YouTube channel. Now today we are here. Let me show you. We are here. As you can see, this is a panga. This is a thread, but it's very small. This is a double cutout. This one is a shackle. As you can see, this one is a cable. Let me show you clearly. That one is a meter box. As you can see, guys, this meter box is not set. This shackle, I will install this shackle to that top of the roof, and that cable, that dropping cable or a mud cable, will hook to this shackle and will enter to this meter box. Now guys, if you have not considered subscribing to this YouTube channel, now kindly do so. Thank you. Welcome. Now we will start with this mbao. We have to measure it. Now guys, it is set. Now come. I want to see if it fits, how it is fit, because it is only 1 meter that will be here.
What are you doing?
Hey. Yeah. Si wewe ndo unafaa uniambie sasa nisikie.
Wewe ulimwambia leba
Tukuongea leba. Lakini acha nimalize. Guys, let me use this point. We have done nothing because of that wall is not very strong. The cement that was used there, the ratio was not that good. This is the life of an electrician in Africa. You have to do perfect things because of the client. Now we have to use another common sense to make sure this frame holds very strong there. because it will be holding electricity. And guys, you know the terms of electricity. Let us find another way. It's either we use either 7-inch nail. This is very short. Let us find it. Guys, we found the 12-inch nail. Good. Let me add this one. Very good. Come, I'll show you something here. You see, this one is a double pole. It is a 60/8 amperes, as you can see. Now, when you buy this thing, there are some things here. That is how we remove them. You see. Let me show you how to assemble a double pole cutout. The double pole one is the one that has got a neutral section. See, this part here is the live section, and this one here is the neutral section.